Today we'll learn about Prim's algorithm, which finds the minimum spanning tree of a graph. A minimum spanning tree is a connected graph with minimum total weight and no cycles. Let's run Prim's algorithm on this example graph. We start with node A and mark it as visited, shown in orange. Next, we look at all nodes reachable from A. These are connected by the blue edges you see here. Prim's algorithm is a greedy algorithm, meaning we always pick the smallest available edge that connects to an unvisited node. In this case, that's the edge from A to F. The orange color represents our growing minimum spanning tree. Now we look at all nodes reachable from both A and F. The smallest weight edge is from F to B, so we choose that. We continue following this rule. Always pick the smallest edge that connects to an unvisited node. The next smallest edge is from B to D with weight 2. Notice there are two edges with the same weight of 2. You can choose either one. I'll pick the edge to D, then C. Finally, we pick the edge from D to E, completing our minimum spanning tree. Now I'll show you the complete process with an animation. Watch carefully as there's no voiceover during this part. That's Prim's algorithm. This is time complexity. Thanks for watching.